Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda NC700X. And this is the one with the dual clutch automatic transmission, ABS brakes. That's right, automatic, fully automatic, 6-speed, no shifting gears. Bike does it all by itself. Fuel injected, twin cylinder, 670cc. This bike gets about 60 miles per gallon. Only 9,649 miles. Brand new tires on this beautiful red NC700X dual clutch. Just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.